My name's Anna Kapchuk. I am the Vice President and Venue Manager of the Asbury Arts Center. We're in Asbury Hall, and we also have the 9th Ward Art Club down in the basement. Asbury was a church built in the 1800s. It was left in disrepair, and the owners saved it from the wrecking ball in the early 2000s, and we resurrected it into an entertainment space in downtown Buffalo. We feature a lot of different performances. We have everything from singer-songwriter to rock and roll. We do speakers, we have comedy, classical music, jazz, a little bit of everything. Really, the church used to be a place where the community would come together and celebrate, and we are still doing that, but around the arts. We're open downtown Monday through Friday, 11 to 5, to get your tickets in person and avoid fees. Come down and check out Hallwalls, the Contemporary Art Gallery in the building as well, and you can see what is coming on the lineup, and just check out a show.